Walk her down the valley, pack a piece of heaven for the bottoms of her feet. Teach her how to jump and how to stretch when she reach.
Hey guys, I just got an order from HosannaRevival and I ordered the ESV Shiloh Bible. First, I wanted to show these Mr. Pen blush Bible tabs that I got off of Amazon. I think they were like $5 or $6, but I'll link them in the description box. But they're so pretty. They're kind of like ombre. All right, let's get into the goodies. All right, so listen, I got a journal as well, and this is, ooh, I didn't know it was gonna feel like this. So careful. It is like a leather cover, different. It's not like a suede soft cover, but it is flexible. It's a lined notebook and it's the Galilee notebook. I love it. It has like this mountain and sun. And on the back, the verse that they have to represent the Galilee theme is, when my heart is overwhelmed, lead me to the rock that is higher than I. Psalm 61:2. I love that. And so what I'm going to use this notebook for specifically is I'm going to use it to write down like my quotes and sayings. And like, so if I hear like a preacher or pastor saying like a really good quote, I want to write that down. And so that's just what I just want to do, and hopefully this is to be something that I can complete and I can continue. I love this. It says to be continued, a word to describe myself. That's cool. Oh, and it has it in the front too, date started and a word to describe myself. So you can kind of see like when you first started the book versus when you ended it, what you described yourself as. Let's move on to the star of the show. I wasn't sure like the size of it, like how it would feel, but wow, this is a substantial Bible. The point that I wanted to get this Bible was because I wanted a Bible that wasn't my huge ESV study Bible, and that wasn't my prayer Bible, because in my prayer Bible it's like you couldn't really write much notes in it, but then my ESV Bible was like too heavy to take everywhere with me throughout the house. Like, cause sometimes I want to write in my bed and read the Bible in my bed, but the ESV Bible is too big. So I was like, let me just get a journaling Bible. That way I can either like, you know, take it to church to take notes in, so I don't have to take my other two Bibles. So I can write sermon notes in here. I can highlight my daily devotional scriptures, do my verse of the day in here. Let's open the package. And I'm gonna show my husband too. He's gonna be super excited. Okay. They wrap it tight. Okay. Okay, so here's some like details about the journaling Bible. So the font size is 8 point, has clarifying footnotes, lightly lined 2-inch margins, 2 satin ribbon markers, durable Smith sewn binding, and a vegan leather cover. Cool. Okay, are you ready for what the verse on the Shiloh Bible says? It says, "You make known to me the path of life. In your presence there is fullness of joy," and I'll complete it. "In your right hand there is pleasures forevermore." This is my husband's favorite Bible verse, and he leads by the scripture. So this is just perfect for me. But it's this nice little like rose pink color. It's by Crossway. It's an ESV. Roses, the Holy Bible. I love this emblem here. Oh, I didn't realize that there was a butterfly. How pretty. There's 2 butterflies actually. Here. Oh, another one. 3 butterflies. That's so pretty. Let's open it. Oh, wow. So the front pages here are like this textured, thick cardstock. I don't know. Okay. Let's see if I can look at that. Look at that with the margins on the side. And it lays flat. Look how it lays. Here's like a rose gold ribbon, another ribbon. It's like a baby pink ribbon. Wow. The only thing that I would say that it doesn't have is like cross references, but it's okay. I usually look up my cross references on the internet, but awesome. Okay, what do they have in the back here? Oh, it's the reading plan. I wonder if it's the same reading plan that I did Genesis, Matthew, Psalm, and Proverbs. Okay, it's a little bit different. In the ESV Study Bible, they start off with like a history, an epistle. You can see what the reading plan was in my Bible tour video, but here it's a little bit different. So it starts with the Old Testament, New Testament, Psalm, and a proverb. Wow, that's really cool. I feel like Proverbs are very important. That is awesome. I love it. And I love this paper. I just love the end pieces of paper. It's so pretty! Ah! And so I'm gonna add these blush. Oh my goodness, they match perfectly. I like found these and I just bought them. I wasn't sure if it was gonna match. Like I had them before I got the Bible. But look how pretty that is. I'm gonna put the Bible tabs on it and I'm gonna show you.